Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond76 Home Decor on a budget. For today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing. Yay! I know I was supposed to have did this on Saturday, but I was trying to make sure that I got my room finished. And if you want to see my new room reveal, I will have the link either here or here, so please click on that link and go see my room tour. Now right here, this is a small gift. It is a bandeau that I got from Louis Vuitton, and here is the receipt right here. It just comes in here along with what I paid for it and everything like that, but I'm not gonna show that on camera. Now let me go ahead and get this unboxed, and I hate taking off the ribbon because it looks so pretty. Ugh. Okay, and open it up. And the reason why I wanted this is to go with my Kingston, my LV Kingston, or to go with my Neverfull that I received for Christmas. And okay, and this is it right here. And okay, I don't think I'm gonna be able to pronounce this, but let me show you the tag. Okay, and this is the bandeau that I got. Me personally, I love butterflies, and when I did see this, oh, here it is. The how do they have this on here? Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out later. I think I'm gonna have to figure this out, but here is the number if you want to order this. Okay, and this is the bandeau right here. I love it. On this side right here, it has sort of like a lavender, and it has butterflies from here all the way down. Okay, and when I saw this side right here with the pink on the other side, with the LVs on here, I just fell in love with this. This is gonna go perfectly either with my Kingston, my LV Kingston, or my Neverfull. My Neverfull is rose. It has a rose ballerine print on the inside. It is damier, and so is my Kingston. And this is it kind of looks pink, and then it looks purple, but it doesn't matter because I just love this. And I should have brought my Kingston up here, or my Neverfull. I should have brought it up here, but this is gonna go absolutely perfect with my my LVs. And I should have gotten two of these. I think I'm gonna have to go back and get the other one as well, but it's so silky. I like the fact that it's sewn on the inside. What they did was they tucked it in and they sewed it inside. Yeah, on both sides they did that. Okay, I do sew, so I know what they did. But they don't have any stitches on the outside. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and show you my new bandeau, and I am loving it. And everyone knows that I love pink. Okay, and it's really, really beautiful. It really is. And let me make sure that you can see it pretty good. Okay, and then this is the back side of it, and it has the pink running through it. Okay, but I gotta figure out how to take this off right here. I think this is just plastic, but I gotta figure out how to take that off. But yeah, that is my quick but short unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I am loving this. I love butterflies. Butterflies are my favorite things, and I'm just a butterfly girl. But okay, that is it for my unboxing. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're an old subscriber or friend coming back to watch my videos, thank you. And if you want to join me on my Instagram channel, please join me at Diamond2872. I would love to have you on my Instagram as well. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.